New iPhone X 2018, latest rumors, leaks, price and possible UK release date revealed. Apple's new iPhone X is highly anticipated and will surely be shown off later this week during the tech giant's scheduled hardware event. But ahead of the grand unveiling, here are all the latest leaks, rumors, price predictions and the possible date you could be getting your hands on the device. Apple is predicted by many to lift the lid on 3 new iPhone models this year. The first is presumed to be a direct successor to the current iPhone X that will retain the same 5.8-inch screen size that has become hugely popular with fans. But the hardware is expected to severely upgrade its internals with a new A12 Bionic chip in addition to bringing camera improvements. Apple has also been said to be planning the grand unveiling of its biggest iPhone ever. A 6.5-inch iPhone has been much discussed ahead of the trillion-dollar company's exhibition on September 12. It has been said this device will still tout an all-screen design but will be noticeably larger than other iPhone entries. Credence appeared to be added to such claims after 9to5 Mac released alleged images of the 2 forthcoming flagships. The publication insisted the photos shown were not mockups, instead declaring it was official marketing material that had been obtained. 2 iPhones could be seen and one was much bigger than the other, both appeared in a new gold finish. The direct successor to the current iPhone X could be called the iPhone XS, while the bigger variant has been rumored to ditch any Plus branding and be called the iPhone XS Max instead. Then Apple has also been rumored to be planning the debut of a new cheaper iPhone that will feature a similar all-screen design but will forgo certain premium features to keep costs lower. It has been suggested the hardware will come with an LCD display instead of the OLED present in the current iPhone X. And if alleged prototype models of the device shown off by YouTuber Marques are to be believed, the cheaper model could also only feature one camera sensor on its rear. The budget hardware was also said by publication Mockups to come in a multitude of color options. It said white, black, flash yellow, bright orange, electric blue and taupe variants will be available. TrendForce, a market intelligence firm, declared last month the cheaper iPhone model will come with 3GB of RAM and be available in 6 4GB and 2 5/6GB storage options. But it added the iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max will come with 4GB of RAM and be available in 64, 256 and 512GB varieties. Price. A new report from year.The, that cited people familiar with Apple's forthcoming pricing model, stated the cheaper iPhone model could come in at €799, £713.59. Meanwhile, it added the iPhone XS will start at €909, £811.84, and the iPhone XS Max will retail for €1,149, £1,026.18. The article, first spotted by 9to5 Mac, was presumably discussing starting models for each piece of hardware. That means it is likely costs will be higher for variants with increased storage capacity. But although year.The insisted its sources were reliable and had been accurate about the costs of previous iPhones, it is still worth taking such claims with a pinch of salt. Release date. Recent iPhones, besides the iPhone X, appear to have set a trend of being released in September. iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus, announced on September 9 and released on September 19. iPhone SE XS and iPhone SE XS Plus, announced on September 9 and released on September 24. iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus, announced on September 7 and released on September 16. iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus, announced on September 12 and released on September 22. iPhone X, announced on September 12 and released on November 3. From this data, Express.co.uk is predicting the trio of iPhones will be announced on September 12 and will be released the following week on September 21. However, it is worth noting rumors have surfaced suggesting the cheaper iPhone model could arrive later than the iPhone XS and XS Max. Back in July, Katie Huberty, an analyst for Morgan Stanley, insisted the LCD device could be pushed back and be released in October. However, Apple fans will not have to wait long to see what the company has in store. Express.co.uk will be covering the tech firm's showcase in Cupertino Live.